Hi guys, again, this is Lordy, ang tito mong psychologist. Sagutin lang natin ng mabilisan itong tanong na isinend through a direct message. Nagtatanong siya kung ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng construct validity and internal consistency. Okay? So basically, to differentiate the two, one is a measure of validity and the other hand is a measure of reliability. So they are two different concepts but are both important in establishing the psychometric properties of a specific psychological test. Okay? So when we talk about construct validity, it talks about how well a certain test measure what it's supposed to measure. Like for example, if you are developing a test to determine whether the person is extroverted or introverted, then we'll have to make sure that all the questions that can be found inside that questionnaire really measures either extroversion or introversion. All right? On the other hand, when we talk about internal consistency, it talks about the reliability between the items that are provided for that questionnaire, whether they are reliably measuring the same concept or not. Usually, it is established by defining the correlation between the items that can be found inside a specific test.